Hi and welcome to the channel. If you have a blank page in Microsoft Word that simply will not delete, even when you press backspace or delete, you're not alone. This problem usually has a hidden cause, and once you know what it is, the page disappears immediately. In this video, I'll show you 5 common reasons blank pages appear and exactly how to remove each one safely. So step 1, go up to the Home tab and go over to this tool here and click on the Show Hide button, the paragraph symbol. This displays spaces, paragraph marks, page breaks and section breaks. In most cases, the blank page exists because one of these invisible elements is there. The most common cause is simply extra paragraph marks, which you can see here. So you can pop your cursor at the top here and simply press delete. Or you can click at the bottom, click and drag all the way up to the extra paragraph marks, press delete and continue to press delete until you can't see any more paragraph marks at the top of that page. If you see a lined page break tool here, this forces a new page. Just click before the page break or hold down your command key and click and drag across the page break and simply press delete. As you can see, once you've deleted it and continued to delete any more paragraph symbols, the text will return to the top of the page and your blank page will disappear. If you see something like a section break, as you can see here, we've got 2 double broken lines here. This is a section break. This is a little bit more complicated. Section breaks control layout, headers, footers, and page numbering. Removing one of these can change the formatting in earlier pages. So as you can see here, I've got a different font in this section to the font in this section, and then I've got a blank area. If you no longer need to separate the sections, just click, hold down your Command or Control key, drag across the section break and just press delete. Then again, press any delete keys that are showing extra paragraph marks. If your formatting changes unexpectedly, you can undo by pressing Command or Control Z and review whether the section break is required. But just be careful, because for longer documents, section breaks are often essential, so remove them very carefully. Many people don't realise this, but if your document ends with a table like we've got here, Word will always require a paragraph after it. Sometimes that paragraph is forced onto a new blank page. So click after the table, select the paragraph mark on the blank page, reduce its font size to 1 point. So over on the Home tab, go over to here, select the digit, select 1 and press enter, or you can mark it as hidden. That will delete that page after your table. Sometimes you'll have odd breaks here where you can see you've got a series of blank areas, and sometimes that's down to your paragraph settings. So go up to your paragraph settings up here where you want to move the text back over. Then go up to Format, go to Paragraph, and then make sure Keep with Next is unchecked, Page Break Before is unchecked, and Keep Lines Together, and all of this is unchecked, and then click OK, and it will return your text to the rest of the text and will delete that blank space or page. So to fix blank pages that won't delete, make sure you turn on your formatting marks, remove extra paragraph marks, delete page breaks, check your section breaks very carefully, and look for tables or forced formatting. Blank pages in Word can be frustrating, but they're never random. There's always a hidden cause. Understanding these structures makes it much easier to control your documents, especially longer reports or academic work. If you found this helpful, you may also want to watch my videos on page numbering, sections, which are closely related topics. I hope this has helped you today. If it has, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.